Fuck off. Hello door. Yeah, in. Oh, Blitz is below sentry. 5. Oh, he's going the other way. Oh no, yeah, he's not down hallway. Blitz. They took the camera. Must have someone with him.
Dang it.
Search behind pillars to your left.
Right, Ace was attacking B. So Ace was in kitchen, so he probably planted in B.
Hey, you mean mid, yeah.
You know what I meant. Your camera is a bit too low.
Yeah, he'd be hard left then. Good shit.
Good.
Vac is off the board. JK doesn't even matter.
No, it's...
Yeah, it's already afterwards.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. Vac is off the board.
Yeah, it's only if it's a random or we pick it. Which if you want, I can pick Valkyrie.
Yeah, you can.
I have a stupid idea, but it's not what you think. Mute.
Ah. That's solid for shots.
Mute.
Moving back from Renat.
Oh yeah, by the way, I got a friend that's coming to join us.
Okay.
You know who he is anyway, Riley.
No,
Yeah,
I can't
friends.
believe you have friends.
Oh yeah. I'm with my fake friend, sorry, that doesn't know his directions. And I have a fucking
Fuck.
where?
He went out late. Maybe at near the bottom of the stairs. He was lounge. But he was swinging. No, it was legal.
Yeah,
Yep.
got him.
Here, I'll come get you.
That's not Daniel.
No. Peace.
Nothing in the hallway. Nothing in reception.
You have a hard to your left or the other side? Yeah, other side.
Just plant.
About that. Oh my god, Goyo had his crouch through a punch hole. Actually prone through a punch hole.
In the other side.
Yeah, other side. Someone else in there.
Especially that time. Oh. Ooh, see this washed up kid. Messed this up. Oh, that was a bleak.
Fuck me.
See, there it is. Stop. Shit.